Here's an absolutely spectacular 1950 Studebaker Champion Starlight Coupe. This car is beautifully restored. It's absolutely drop dead gorgeous. It's recently came out of an older gentleman's estate. He had several classic cars. We have a few of them. Kind of picked the nicest ones, but he had all nice cars. And very particular older gentleman. This car is exactly how you see it. All we did is basically dust it off. Everything was well maintained. The car started right up, ran perfect. He had everything done on this car to maintain it and keep it up the way you see it. It was definitely a professional restoration, as everything was done right on the car. Car was actually won at a casino, to tell you the truth. That's he got it. Bought it from the winner. But it's just a really spectacular example of one of these little Studebakers. You don't see them very often. You know, a lot of guys don't spend the time and money to restore them to this caliber. You know, this car is really nothing to pick apart on it at all. I say I do these videos to show all the flaws and to show the positives, and basically we're going over more positives than flaws here. You can see all the glass is gorgeous, the chrome, the paint is beautiful. It's a rust-free car. All the body lines line up spectacular. I mean, it's everything fits excellent. The paint's actually absolutely beautiful. Everything was done right on the car. Yeah, I'd show you any chips and flaws in the paint, but there are none to show you, so I'm just gonna go over how nice it is here. It's all new rubbers around the glass. You know, stuff like this was all done. The wheels were all restored. The caps and trim ring, beauty rings were all done, polished. It's got the correct BFG tires on it. See inside the gas door here. You can see inside there, the fenders were off when they painted it. Underneath, super clean. All the chrome's excellent. With the correct tailpipe there. All the lenses are beautiful. They look new. With the correct beading and the fenders. All the glass is spectacular. It's all new rubbers around the glass. Windshield's gorgeous. Rocker molding's beautiful. Grill, the bullet here is excellent. Original emblem. This is acrylic. Hood ornaments in mint condition. You know, if someone gave you this car, you could not even begin to restore it for the price we're asking. Correct mirror on it. We got it priced very fairly. Interior is all new. Jams are nice. All the glass, side glass rolls up and down nice, correct trim. Like I say, it's all looks to be brand new. Steering wheel's in great shape. The dash is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, Studebaker horn emblem there is excellent. All the lights work, the radio works, the gauge works. I mean, there's nothing on this car to knock, actually. You see how just, you know, even the little vents there down there. You know, nothing's painted over. That package tray is beautiful. See the courtesy lights work. It's got the correct, like, kind of mohair. The headliner. The door panels. grab handles here. Beautiful carpet. Sill plates are excellent. Nice sun visors. Doors closed beautifully. All new rubbers around the doors. This is beautiful. This trim down here, it's all polished. Correct door handles and everything. Window cranks. See the glass. The fit on the glass is amazing. Some of the dash here and the mirror. Little ashtray, clean it is inside there. Glove box. This is cool. It's original camera going on there. It's super clean here. Original information sheet still in there. And the glove box is like, looks like nothing's ever been in there. Inside the trunk, again, like new, all new rubber, original BFG spare, or correct OEM spare, matches the rest of the car, correct trunk mat, underneath the trunk lids, nicely restored. Very unique cars. Man, these things get tons of looks because it looks kind of like sorry about that. It looks kind of, you know, like an airplane kind of in the front there. Original motor, nicely detailed in here, all correct and OEM. Got the 6-cylinder with a 3-speed and overdrive. Underneath the hood's all finished off. And I have pictures of the undercarriage and everything, so let's see how clean it is there. Keys out there. Car starts right up, as you can see. Horn works. The radio works, you've got to warm it up. Directionals work. All the lights on the car work. Wipers work. Runs like $1 million. Nice and smooth. You hear the radio.
Alright, pretty good, folks.
Kind of hard to get any music stations, but you can hear it.
Independent talk.
Sounds really nice. It's really unusual for one of these to have the radio working. Take it for a spin here. The car is really smooth. this isn't a car just slapped together and nothing works on. This thing's, all the bugs been worked out. So really quality restoration. Shift's nice, clutch is good, brakes are good. Nice and tight steering, suspension. Gas gauge, temp gauge, amp gauge all seem to work. This car is ready to go. You don't have to do a damn thing to it. Satisfy even the pickiest buyers. I mean, it's a real nice one. To drive yet, there's nothing I'd say you need to do to it. It's like I say, it's really well rounded out. Don't wait, it's not going to last too long. It's going to be a while before you find another one like this. And this car was at a classic car auction or something, and people actually saw it in person. It would do way more, and I've been asking for it. But, you know, I'm in the business to keep them moving, so passing the deal to the next person. Thank you, and good luck.